Hi, my name is Eric. I'm a CFO. I give Power BI 4 stars. And for more reviews like this, please click below. Before Power BI, we used Tableau. We used it on a trial basis. And while it was all right and an early leader in this space, it just didn't integrate as well as Microsoft Power BI with the whole suite of products that we use as a company. We chose Power BI because it is easy to integrate with the rest of the Microsoft Office suite, especially Excel. It has powerful analytics tools, and it allows for some pretty cool graphics and dashboarding as part of that data visualization suite. It was relatively easy to get started with Microsoft Power BI. The integration with the rest of the Microsoft Office suite really helps. There is some challenges though with data integration, making sure that the data is in the right format to be loaded into Power BI. But once you go from there, it's pretty easy and feels very intuitive if you're used to the rest of the Microsoft Office suite. My advice for anyone looking to implement Microsoft Power BI would be to first watch some YouTube videos or take a tutorial or maybe even a class. Getting the data validation, data integration piece is really key to the functionality of the system. It can pull in some awesome graphics, some really good dashboards and analytics, but if you don't set up the data right, you'll never get it to work properly.